As China's rural revitalization advances, many young people are drawn to pursue their careers in the countryside. One of them is Newton, 29-year-old, who studied in Australia for years. He and his schoolmates have formed a team to cultivate yellow peaches in the mountainous Fuping County in North China's Hebei province. Niu has used a digital agriculture system in managing his peach orchard to enhance efficiency and boost production.
从传统农业向现代化农业、数字化农业转型，需要时间，需要坚持。如果这个行业需要先行者，我愿意做这个先行者。几年来，我们让农业插上现代科学技术的翅膀，提高农业生产质量和效率。运用智慧农业降低生产成本只是关键的一步，把果品销售做得更好是更重要的一步。我们将传统果品销售与互联网新零售相结合，在北京建立销售团队，把黄桃卖到全国各地，带动农民增收3450余万元。把所学的知识尽可能地运用到实处，我认为这是我们这代人的使命。希望通过我和我团队的努力，带动更多年轻人投身乡村振兴，建设美好家园。